Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today I have another perfume to explore with you, which is again a woman's perfume, very famous perfume from Lancôme. So this is Vie Est Belle. I think this is how it should be pronounced. Vie Est Belle. Vie Est Belle. Or Belle, I'm not sure. Anyhow, so this is the perfume and it is a very famous perfume. Some of the YouTubers, they say a lot of praises and that this is the best perfume for women. So let's try to test this. I personally think that it's for winters. Don't try to use it in summers. So let's spray this. It is kind of something powdery, sweet, a bit gourmandish. So kind of reminds me something of like a pastry or a cake. Yes, edible kind of perfume. There are florals in the background which I don't like much. Has some kind of pastry or gourmand kind of feel to it, but not purely gourmand. It has a lot of florals, like 50% florals, 50% gourmandish kind of perfume. I personally don't like it because it is getting into my head again. Maybe it is because of the florals, high pitched florals. Yes, there is maybe jasmine, very high pitching jasmine, a lot of chemicals. I'm not sure why, but my nose is very sensitive to high pitched perfume notes or chemicals. So I really start getting headache when the perfume is not blended very well or it has a lot of high pitched white florals, particularly Lang Lang, jasmine, few other white florals there are. So now it has some musky kind of roundedness to all those florals. So I think they have added it just to calm down the florals. So this is my review. I don't want to make it long because it will give me a headache. So this is my simple review about Lancôme Vie Est Belle. Okay. So, Vie Est Belle means, I think, life is beautiful in French. For me, maybe it is good perfume for French women, but for my taste, this is really a headache. I remember that once I was traveling in an airplane and one of the air hostess, I think she was wearing this, and the airplane space, you know, it is very tight. So whenever she passed from me, I had to, you know, cover up my nose like this because it started a headache. Although the smell is nice, but it is very cloying in tight space and a bit warm spaces. I think maybe very cold weather, it might look good on a woman. For me, I personally didn't like it at all. But it is a very famous one, and you know, one of the YouTubers, I don't remember the name, he actually, you know, praises this perfume a lot. I have learned in my past like 2 years that never buy a perfume over a hype. So if you find like 10 videos and 10 people are saying that this perfume is amazing, you should buy it. Never blind buy any perfume. Just test its sample, and if you like and you love the perfume a lot, then try to buy the full bottle, because you need a perfume that you can apply the whole season, every day. It is not repulsive to other people. You should ask around your partner, your wife, anyone around you that do you like it, or is it offensive to you, or even your office workers, co-workers. So make sure everything is all right, then you should buy perfume full bottle. So this is my review about this Lancôme very famous perfume for women. I would recommend it for women only. and that is all. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.